Don't know if this is gonna work, but here we are. So, there's something wrong with my gas valve. Why is it dripping red? So I got super glue here. I'll do this drop quick. So I'll show you what's wrong with the valve before I glue anything. You see that? It's cracked right there. Yeah, that's what's wrong with it. So let's go ahead and hold the glue with this hand. Get it into the right position. And then just glue all around it. Hey, I got Kraken Bond. Really nice brand. Love it.